Okay, so I got some Snoop slimes. I got other slimes a long time ago, but I didn't like sew it. I got Tiffany's frosting, and then I got it was like a little like candy slime. And then a long time ago, I got this like the Funfetti cake one. And my mom literally just surprised me. I have no clue what it is. I didn't even know I was getting one. This is so cute.